In this video, I'll show you how to work a modified version of the slip-slip purl decrease. The slip-slip purl is a one-stitch left-leaning decrease, as seen from the knit side of the work. It takes 2 stitches and combines them into 1 stitch. This is a modified version of the traditional slip-slip purl that twists the stitch in the back and can cause it to lay flatter and be less stretched out in certain situations. To work the modified slip-slip purl decrease, slip the next stitch purlwise onto the right needle, slip the next stitch knitwise onto the right needle, and then slip them both back onto the left needle. Insert the right needle through the back loops of the 2 stitches that we just slipped, and purl those together through the back loops. Let's go over that 2 more times. Slip the first stitch purlwise onto the right needle, slip the second stitch knitwise onto the right needle, slip those back onto the left needle, insert the right needle through the back loops of those 2 stitches on the right needle, and purl those 2 stitches together through the back loops. Let's go over that once more. Slip the next stitch purlwise onto the right needle, slip the next stitch knitwise onto the right needle, slip both those back onto the left needle without twisting them again. Insert the right needle from back to front through the back loops of the 2 stitches on the left needle, purl those stitches together through the back loops. And that's how you create the modified version of the slip-slip purl.